Today we're talking about why veterans actually have a massive advantage when it comes to buying a home. And honestly, a lot of people do not realize just how big that advantage is. The reason I started thinking about this video is because I was talking to someone recently who was trying to buy their first home, and they were stressing about saving a huge down payment. They were talking about needing 20% down, needing perfect credit, worrying about mortgage insurance and higher rates and all of these different things that first-time home buyers usually worry about. And it made me think about how different the situation can be for veterans. Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm both a real estate agent and a loan officer, and one of the things I love doing is helping people understand how the home buying process actually works, because there is a lot of misinformation out there, especially when it comes to VA loans. I've seen so many veterans who didn't even realize how powerful this benefit really is. So today I want to walk you through why veterans often have a real advantage when buying a home. The first reason is the down payment. With many traditional loan programs, buyers are expected to put anywhere from 5% to 20% down, sometimes just 3.5%. But on a $500,000 home, that could mean bringing $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 to the table just for the down payment. But with a VA loan, qualified veterans can often buy a home with zero down payment. That alone can save an enormous amount of money up front, and it allows many veterans to become homeowners years earlier than they thought possible. The second big advantage is mortgage insurance. With most loan programs, if you put less than 20% down, you're going to pay monthly mortgage insurance. That can easily add hundreds of dollars to your monthly payment depending on the loan and your credit profile. VA loans don't have monthly mortgage insurance. Because the loan is backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, that extra monthly cost simply isn't there, which means veterans often have lower monthly payments compared to many other loan programs. The third advantage is interest rates. VA loans tend to have very competitive interest rates compared to many other types of loans. And when you're talking about a 30-year mortgage, even a slightly lower rate can save thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. When you combine zero down payment, no monthly mortgage insurance, and competitive interest rates, it starts to become clear why VA loans are considered one of the most powerful home loan programs available. Another benefit that people don't talk about enough is refinancing. VA loans have something called an interest rate reduction refinance loan, sometimes called an IRRRL, which is designed specifically to help veterans lower their interest rate. When rates drop, in many cases, this refinance process can be much simpler than traditional refinances because it was created specifically to help veterans benefit from lower interest rates when the opportunity comes along. I've seen so many veterans go from thinking home ownership was years away to realizing they were actually already in a position to buy because of this benefit. And the truth is, this program exists for a reason. It was created to help veterans build long-term stability and wealth through home ownership after serving our country. So now every situation is different and qualification still matters, but the reality is many veterans are in a stronger buying position than they realize. If you are a veteran and you're curious about what your options might look like, feel free to reach out. There's a link below where you can schedule a free consultation. I'd be happy to walk you through how the VA loan program works and what it might look like for your situation. And if you want more videos explaining real estate loans, home ownership, and how this process actually works, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week to help make this stuff easier to understand. I hope you have a great rest of your day.